I'm Nick Nicolaisen and I'm driving the Alfa Romeo Junior Electrica Veloce. So it's a fully electric vehicle. It's got about 207 kilowatts. It's got the same size brakes as a G80 M3 and it also weighs less. So it's quite a hoot to drive, proper mechanical diff. And we are part of the Efficiency Motorsport group. So firstly, I want to thank Efficiency for allowing us to do this, kitting us out with some nice suits. And then of course Stellantis. Without Stellantis, I won't have anything to drive. So Stellantis borrowed me this monster of an electric car. And at the moment it is really punching above its own weight because it's kind of taken on the big dogs. So we're proving our point. So the driver just needs to grow up here now and grow faster.